everyone, today I am sharing a very minimalistic packing for a staycation that we're doing before Disney, and it's not really necessarily as much a staycation as it is we're doing house sitting, but I'm going to show you like just absolute minimalistic because due to our time frame and school finishing and all that, we've already started packing for Disney. Two of the suitcases are almost 100% packed. I'm kind of taking everybody like one at a time to make sure everybody has all their needs met and have that one-on-one time with them as we're packing for it. So like those are already packed. So this is a very minimalistic packing, and like again, because suitcases are being used, we're kind of having to rotate and use backpacks and things. But let me turn around and show you what I have so far. We're going to start right here. These are the nice clothes that I have laid out. Again, extremely minimalistic. We're only going to be gone for about a week, and you guys should not have a lapse in videos if everything works out right. We have one nice outfit laid out for that week that probably church while we're gone, but yeah, this is one outfit I have, and this is not 100% complete because I'm also working on getting through some laundry right now. So I do have like one more piece that I need to go with this, but for now I have like this really simple white button-up shirt and then the black with white polka dot skirt. This is usually a skirt I would prefer to use in summer, but I couldn't find like an outfit to go with it for the cruise, so I figured I could wear it in the spring before the cruise in the meantime. I also apologize if I sound a little nasally today. Allergies are just really bad because we keep dipping down into like 0 wind chill and then back up again in the 40s and 50s, and I can't handle it right now. So I have one pajama set laid out, and I know like normally for a week I would plan out 2, but again, I'm already packing for another trip, and this is kind of a good point for you guys of like if you're packing for the trip and then you have something else come up that you have to do before a big trip. This is kind of, you know, what we're doing here. So I have one set of pajamas laid out, and the goal is basically because of psoriasis, we don't shower like every single day. And I mean, I know more and more people are doing that, but like I figure on shower days, we'll just put everybody's pajamas in the washer for that day, and then we'll just kind of wash them and rotate them out because I do have access to a washer and dryer while we're here, which does allow me to be even more minimalistic. Second outfit right here is just an around the house casual outfit, something I can wear while helping to take care of their pet, and just some light cleaning of maintaining and keeping up with things, because mostly our goal is just to take care of their house, their pet, and to maintain our school schedule so that we can still finish before we do board the ship. Now, I don't want to say how long after the videos go up for this, but anyways, so this is also outfit number 2. So yeah, 2 outfits for 1 week. Again, washing, drying, with 5 of us going because I'm taking all the girls with me. It'll just make it easier to just rotate washer and dryer. This is undergarments bag. Enough said. That is the toiletry bag that we use when we're not using the whole Samantha Brown set. The problem is I've already started packing some stuff that like I always take for travel in my other toiletries bag, so I'm not sure how that's going to work out yet. I may have to put some things out, put them back in here, but there are some things in here that I was not going to bring anyways because at Disney I don't need shampoo, conditioner, body wash, but when I'm house sitting I do take my own products. So I mean that does allow for that, so we'll see how that works out so far. And my knee just popped really loud. This is another like dressy casual shirt right here. It's a long sleeve because again, temperatures are weird right now. So I figure like if we go out on Wednesday night, that'll give me something to do. Or if we end up, last time we had some friends pick us up to take us like shopping one day, or like grocery shopping one day, because I had forgot some stuff. So like that's what that outfit is going to be set aside for, is for like if I need to leave the house and it's not like church thing. So last but not least, you've seen this is our travel schooling bag. We are taking school stuff with us because again, I really need to keep up with our school schedule for this trip. So like I'm going to start packing this today and over the next couple days before we leave for this house sitting adventure. And honestly, I'm just planning a no electronics one. They have given us access to their Wi-Fi, but again, like in East Tennessee, you don't have unlimited Wi-Fi. You pay for X amount of Wi-Fi. Like I think our house, we only get 2 terabytes. And when you times that by 6 people and electronic school and Roku's and all that, it's not really a lot. and it's better than nothing though. So I'm going to be packing like, they've already watched their movie for this week, and then they do it every other week. So they're going to do their reports next week and stuff like that. So planning all of that and then trying to get it all in here so that they can take as much of their backpack room for their changes of clothes. But yeah, that's pretty minimalistic of what I'm looking at for a 1 week, house sitting adventure, while also packing for, I'm just going to pin and show you, while also packing for Disney. But that is it for today's video, you guys. Thank you to all our members for supporting this content, allow us to continue making videos, and thank you to every single one of you for liking, watching, positive comments, and subscribing, and we will see you next time.